Welcome to Blue Marble Geographics Ask the Experts. I'm Rachel Landry, and today I'm joined by my colleague Billy Noble, a senior application specialist here at the company. Today, Billy will be talking to us about how to create a Choropleth map in Global Mapper. All right, Billy, show us how to do this.
So I'm going to demonstrate how to do Choropleth mapping in Global Mapper using this main shapefile of the counties of Maine and looking at this vaccine rate that is in each county's attributes. You can see there's one here for Kennebec County, one for Cumberland County. You see these, this data varies from county to county, so we can make a nice map colored based on whatever that vaccine rate value is. So you want to do this by going to the vector options by right-clicking on the layer in the control center and choosing to apply the styling based on the attribute value, name values. So we're choosing vaccine rate here, and we can start populating this list with values. So we want to choose a solid fill here. You can choose whatever you want. For this example, I will choose a bluish color and push OK. And we can enter a value to start with. So all of them are over 50, so let's start with 50 here and click Apply. And you can see that in the map, the area features change color based on the value of the vaccine rate attribute. So we can keep doing this and adding more values to change the scale or the color scale of what this looks like. So again, 55, you can see more county colors change color. You can also, after deleting these, load the values in of all the county vaccine rate values. And after clicking yes on these two prompts, we can just see the list of values here. And they're all the same color right now, except for just one. We're going to delete those. You can also pre-configure these as well if you already created all the colors and the values that you wanted by saving a style file and loading that style file back in. See, I already saved one here, so I just click load and click the file that it was made. You can see that there's a range of values associated with the color for the vaccine rate. So if I click apply, this updates right in the workspace, and you can see the values now reflected for each of the counties a little bit better. You can also choose to interpolate the colors and scale between the values. So that just kind of shades them a little bit differently based on which color they're closer to. But we'll just uncheck that. Click apply, and it goes back to how it originally was. We can also add a map legend to give more context to what these values are being displayed if someone just looked at this by going to configuration, display options, map legend. And we can put display legend based on loaded vector type. And setting the different settings here, we'll leave the header vaccine rate entered in here as a percentage. We're going to choose the position to be centered right in the map. So we click center view. By default, this usually is set to right edge of view, but we'll put it in the center. Click OK. Click apply. After clicking OK, you see a map legend now at the bottom of the window displaying what the colors mean for each of the vaccine rates. We can go a step further and actually start putting this into something that you could print out or share or export as a PDF by going to the map layout editor. So after we do that, we can check paper size and choose the bounds of the data that we want to export or create this map from. So just around the state of Maine here, and click OK. And OK again. So quickly we can add a title using the insert option at the top, inserting a text element. So these are based on October 4th. And after clicking apply and OK, we have a title you can drag around in the map layout editor. We can also add the same map legend element again as well. So we can enter in the header vaccine rate as percentage and click apply and OK. We get a similar dialog box, but now we can scale this a little more so we can fit it neatly in the corner. You can add other elements as well, like a north arrow and a scale bar. For this demonstration, we won't go ahead and do that. But now we have an option to go to File, export as a geospatial PDF. You can also print a file or just print out your map directly. And that is how you create a Choropleth map in Global Mapper.
Billy, thank you so much for that demonstration. I think it will be very useful for our users. If you'd like to learn more about Global Mapper or Global Mapper Pro, please visit bluemarblegeo.com today. And as always, thank you so much for joining us for Ask the Experts, and be sure to join us for our next episode.